Hello, hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gabby here, and today I have a killer workout. 5 floor exercises that burn the most calories. All right, this is gonna be high intensity, but I'm gonna give you lots of modifications and different variations. So this is for absolutely every level. All right, it's gonna be awesome. We're gonna have fun. We're gonna burn fat. We're gonna burn calories. So let's get into it. So we will be doing 3 sets. The first one where I explain what we're doing, proper form, demo, all that good stuff. And then set number 2 and 3, less talking, we just go straight through the routine. All right, starting with our first exercise, getting down on the floor, gently at your own pace. We are doing a crab toe touch. All right, this one is awesome. All right, so on our bottoms, our feet are on the floor, so our knees are bent. All right, our hands are gonna be behind us, our fingertips facing towards our butt. All right, and we're gonna slightly lift our body off of the ground. All right, so we're in a little crab position, and what you're gonna wanna do is reach hand to opposite foot. So touch, down, all right? If this is too much being elevated from the ground, no worries, go ahead, stay on the ground, and go ahead and do it like that. So you can reach opposite, hand to foot, hand to foot. All right, if reaching for that foot is a little bit too much, then go ahead, stay right here and practice lifting up your feet, your legs off the floor. That's gonna really help you build strength in your core, and then you're gonna get to the full crab toe touch in no time. All right, big breath, in position, 30 seconds, and let's go. So lifting up, very good, and reaching. Now here in this position, I want you to remember to stay lifted, all right? Don't sink in, all right? Make sure your shoulders are pushed away from your ears. You have a nice, long, elegant neck, all right? Breathing, taking your time. That is the beauty of 30 seconds. You go at your own pace, all right? So it could be a little bit slower than mine or even faster, all right? So do what's best for you and listen to your body. You got this. And in this position, if you don't want to reach for your toes, but you like having your body off of the ground, go ahead and reach for your knee, all right? There's one more variation for you, all right? 3, 2, 1, and gently come down. Very good, extend those legs and shake it out. Awesome job. Big breath, and we're turning it to our side for a side plank, all right? So make sure that your hand is right below your shoulder here, all right? You wanna make sure it's not out, all right? It's nice straight line, all right, stacked with your shoulder. There are 2 ways you can do this. You can do this with straight legs. That is the harder one. That's the harder position. All right, straight legs, lifting up, lifting your hip towards the sky, and side plank, all right? If this is a little bit too much for you, go ahead, bend your knees, all right, and do a mermaid side plank, okay? On your knees like so. All right, 2 different variations. Also with the straight leg one, you can either have your feet stacked, which is a little bit harder, or staggered, so one behind the other, one in front of the other. That'll help you balance a little bit more. Go ahead, choose your variation. We are going to do 15 seconds, all right, on one side and 15 seconds on the other one, just because this is a little bit more of a taxing exercise. Big breath, very good. Choose your position, and let's go. And up, very good. Making sure all those checking points, all right, very good. Your chest is squared forward. We don't want to be up or down, all right? Nice squared forward chest. Pressing your hips up, very good. You got this, and 3, 2, 1, and come down, very good. Shake out that arm, on to the next side. Big breath, and let's go. Up. Very good. You got this, just breathe. Awesome job. Tight core. Tight core is gonna help you balance. Very good, and 3, 2, 1, and coming down. Awesome job. Big breath, and moving on to mountain climbers or mountain steppers, all right? Giving you 2 variations there. So starting on all fours, hands are right below your shoulder. All right, we're gonna extend our legs into plank position. All right, and the full mountain climber exercise would be fast knees towards your elbows. Whoa, go, 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 go. All right, if that is a little bit too much for you, no worries. Instead of doing those fast knees, go ahead and step forward and then back, forward and then back. So those are my mountain steppers. If that is still a little bit too challenging, don't worry, you're gonna work your way up. You can go ahead and do this in a kneeling position, so on all fours, and then knee towards hand, and then back, and then the other one. All right? 3 awesome variations of these mountain climbers. Go ahead, take a deep breath. All right, choose your variation, and let's go, go, go. All right, so this is the full one. I'm gonna do the stepping one just for this demo so I can talk to you guys. All right, in this position, you really wanna make sure you have a straight back. You wanna avoid arching, which is really bad for your spine, or rounding over, okay? So nice, straight back. Very good, breathing. Whoop. Awesome job. Push those shoulders away from your ears. And 3, 2, 1, and coming down. Very good. Sitting back, shake out those arms. Big breath, very good. Next, we are moving on to starfish crunches. These are so much fun, probably my favorite exercise of this workout, something a little different. We're gonna lay down like a starfish. So, arms wide, legs wide. All right, cute little starfish. And then hand is gonna reach for opposite leg as you crunch up. Boom. And then boom. All right, that is the starfish crunch. If that is a little bit too much for you, no worries. Go ahead and reach for your knee. All right, you can go ahead and bend that knee and do it like so. All right, 2 variations for you. Big breath, starfish starting position, and let's go. Very good. Now, when you're crunching up, I want you to remember to lead with your shoulders, all right? You don't want to strain your neck, so your shoulders come off of the ground with your neck. Very good. That's what's going to use your core. Don't forget to breathe. I know it's easy to hold your breath when you're focusing on something, but it's so important to deliver oxygen to your muscles, especially when working out. We're almost there. And 3, 2, 1, and go ahead, come down, bend those knees, shake those shoulders a little bit. Big breath, and last but not least, we have, don't run away, we have push-ups. All right, push-ups are just so great for upper body strength, for your core, your back, your chest, all right, your arms. I know it's a difficult one, but it's on the list for a reason, okay? You can do it. I'm gonna give you different modifications. All right, so full push-up is in plank position, hand below your shoulder, straight back, all right, and coming down and pushing up. All right, if not that, go ahead, put your knees down, all right, and go ahead and do a knee push-up, all right? If that is too much for you, then go ahead and hold a plank position with your legs straight or with your knees on the floor. All right, you can either hold those or you can hold a bear crawl position. So curl your feet, lift your knees and body off the floor, and hold this position. All right, so that is 5 different variations for you. You have a full push-ups, knee push-ups, a full plank, knee plank, or bear crawl position plank. All right, choose what's best for you, but don't give up. You got this, challenge yourself. Big breath, and let's go. All right, so coming down as much as you can and lifting up, remembering your spine health. All right, Nice straight spine, avoid arching, all right? We don't wanna do this. Tuck in that tummy, tuck in that butt. Your gaze should be between your hands, all right? Take your time, it doesn't have to be fast. It can only be a few in these 30 seconds. You can only do one in these 30 seconds, but at least you did that one, okay? And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Big breath, shake it out. And there we have it. 5 floor exercises that burn the most calories. I know I felt it, I'm sweating. I hope you're enjoying it so far. Take a second, we're gonna grab water, catch our breath, stretch if you need to, and then we're doing set number 2. Alrighty, my beautiful people, set number 2, you know what to do. We have our crab toe touch, our side plank, our mountain climbers, our starfish crunches, and then our push-ups. If you didn't watch set number 1, if you weren't with us for that demo, I did give a lot of variations and modifications, all right? If you need to go back and watch that. But if not, less talking on my part. We're going straight through the routine, all right? Starting with our crab toe touch. Big breath, 30 seconds. And let's get it. And 3, 2, 1. And come down, very good. Extend, shake, shake, shake. Onto our side plank. 15 seconds one side, and let's go. And 3, 2, 1, coming down, very good. Switching to the other side. Big breath. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, coming down. Very good. Shake out those arms. Big breath. Moving on to mountain climbers. 30 seconds. And let's go. And 3, 2, 1, coming down. Shake out those arms. Whew. Very good. Now our starfish crunches on our backs. Alrighty, and begin. And 3, 2, 1. Very, very good. Big breath, extend, and turn it around for push-ups. You got this, almost there. 30 seconds, and begin. And 3, 2, 1. Oh, celebrate. That's it. You did it. Awesome job. Big breath. Take a second, grab water, stretch, catch your breath, and then we're gonna crush set number 3. You got this. Alrighty, you are doing great. One more set to go. You got this. Big breath, release, very good. Starting with our crab toe touch. You got this, 30 seconds, and let's go. And 3, 2, 1, and come down. Very good. Extend, shake, shake, shake. Onto our side plank. 15 seconds one side, and let's go. And 3, 2, 1, coming down. Very good. Switching to the other side. Big breath. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, coming down. Very good. Shake out those arms. Big breath. Moving on to mountain climbers. 30 seconds, and let's go. And 3, 2, 1, coming down. Shake out those arms. Whew. Very good. Now our starfish crunches on our backs. Alrighty, and begin. And 3, 2, 1. Very, very good. Big breath, extend, and turn it around for push-ups. You got this, almost there. 30 seconds, and begin. And 3, 2, 1. Oh, alrighty, that's it. You did it. 3 killer sets of 5 floor exercises that burn the most calories. I felt it. I hope you did. Let us know in the comments below what you thought. And then go check out our channel, subscribe, click the bell. What that does, it notifies you when we post so you don't miss out on any amazing videos. I hope to see you there.